The rotatable driver's workstation from Linde. When bulky and view-obstructing loads are transported, the driver's view is restricted. Additional visual aids such as mirrors or camera systems are often not sufficient to meet safety requirements. In these cases, occupational safety experts and Employers' Liability Insurance Association regulations, such as BGVD 27 for industrial trucks, make the following recommendation. Industrial trucks must only be driven if the driver has an adequate view of the roadway. The corresponding operating instructions note the following. If a large load that obstructs the view of the roadway has to be transported using a front forklift truck, the driver should travel in reverse. Frequent reverse travel must be avoided, as the driver may put excessive strain on his spine when turning round, especially when combined with vibration. During the course of the working day, a driver has to perform this strained movement frequently or very frequently, depending on the operation. Musculoskeletal disorders are the most common reason for absence from work among employees in Germany. The causes of these disorders include lifting heavy loads or adopting an awkward posture over an extended period of time, such as that needed for reverse travel in trucks. In addition, the driver's view is significantly impaired, thus compromising safety. This is where the rotatable driver's workstation from Linde comes in. The driver rotates the entire operating device by 90 degrees, including the steering column, pedals and armrest. As in a reach forklift truck, the driver sits at a right angle to the roadway and therefore has an unrestricted view of the route. As a direct result of this, the sideways positioned workstation allows for a better view during reverse travel. This means that safety is considerably improved during operation. The workstation also helps to protect the driver's back. The driver simply needs to turn his head to see in the direction of travel, and a glance in the other direction provides the driver with a view of the load. The driver does not need to put excessive strain on his spine by turning around. Fatigue is avoided and the driver's health is protected. The rotatable driver's workstation from Linde, which can also be retrofitted for trucks from March 2009, offers the following benefits. Better view during reverse travel. Improved safety. Easy operation. Sturdy design and, most importantly, reduced strain on the body. The importance of relieving strain on the spine by using the rotatable driver's workstation is also demonstrated by a comparison from real day-to-day work. On behalf of the Employers' Liability Insurance Association for retail and the distribution of goods, upper body movements in a normal seat and when using the rotatable driver's workstation were measured and recorded in 3 dimensions. The actual work carried out was not affected by the measurement system during this process. The results speak for themselves. All movements classified as critical by the Employers' Liability Insurance Association in terms of being harmful to health, according to DIN EN 1005, are reduced by approximately 60% when using the rotating driver's workstation. These measurements are a positive result for the rotatable driver's workstation from Linde. For the body postures investigated, the risk to health was significantly reduced, due to less strain being placed on the musculoskeletal system. The advantage of using a forklift truck with a rotatable driver's workstation is therefore twofold. The impact on the driver's health is considerably reduced, while the improved view during reverse travel increases safety on site. An investment that pays off. Engineered for your performance.